I'm back.
Oh shit! You can't say my name while this is recording. I'll get in trouble. You just shoved a refrigerator.
I'll just call you friend.
Okay, friend. Hello. This is going on YouTube.
See the Jonathan Philpott yesterday?
No.
His shirt on the stage.
Ew, that was disgusting. He's like a even though he's a guy, for some reason he still reminds me of a female stripper.
What the fuck?
Sad to get that. Hello.
Why are you following me around
Huh?
camera?
Hello, girl. I don't know.
Follow me on Instagram.
What's your Instagram account?
Sanders Anchor, that's it.
That's not a very good account name. Are you allowed to be on here? It's going on YouTube. Okay.
Yeah.
You can't record me. You can't record me. Susan, say hey to the camera. Say hey, YouTube. I'm gonna record. Okay, bye. What happens in the regular day? Santa, let's go.
Ow!
Spit in my mouth.
Santa's asking me to record.